this is Felicia, the crafty queen. This is part 2 of me showing y'all how I cut the stickers that I created into my previous video. And I'm going to show y'all how I cut it in Cricut, and I'm going to show you the paper that I used. It is called A-Sub Glow in the Dark stickers. So let me get my project up and going. So let me go here. These are the stickers that we made. So I'm going to go over here to make it. It's just loading very slowly. So this is the sticker I'm going to make. The sticker sheet. This I'm making. So I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to hit send to printer. And you want to make sure you turn off the bleed. Since Cricut has updated, so you're going to hit print. It's not going to print like right now. It's going to take you to another screen once it loads. Whenever it decides to load. So I'm going to go to my Epson Eco Tank. This is the best printer that I have because I have another printer which is a sublimation printer. So yeah. So I'm going to go over down to my media quality and I'm going to say photo paper. And it's going to automatically go to best because that's, you know, I just trained it to do that. So I'm going to hit print. It is going to print on my the glossy glow sticker. So meet me back at my camera and I'm going to show you the print out of the sticker and how I'm going to load it onto the mat and everything else. So meet me over to my camera. Okay, I forgot to show y'all these steps on how to make the settings, so please forgive me. I'm going to hit done. I just got to let my Cricut to connect. It is on, so just give me a minute and I will show y'all the settings. And then we're going to go over to the Cricut machine and show y'all. So you want to use the one that say printable. Let me see if I can find it. Right here, printable sticker, paper, no lining. That's the one you want to use. But I'm going to go into editing. Hold on, let me go back. Cancel this. Hold on, because I went too fast, too quick. Okay, we don't have to print this. So let me just go. You want to hit browse material. And the one I said we're going to use is this one right here. Hold on, I'm trying to figure out how material settings, child. It's been a day. So we got to find the one that say paper. It's about sticker paper. Hold on, let me make sure I find the right one. Printable. Let me see, printable. I got to make sure we get the right one. Let me see if this is it. Let me see. Nope, that's not it. Cancel that one. Let me see this one. Edit. Nope. I'm looking for the one that I have. Okay. That's vinyl. I'm not trying to do no vinyl. So let's see. This one's not it. Okay, yes it is. This is it. And since I do have a new blade, you know, sometimes you just have to test it and, you know, to your findings. So I'm going to say, no, the setting is supposed to be 133. Hold on, let me just bring this down to like 133 since I do have like a new blade. Sure. Okay, then the other setting needs to be 200 since I do have a new blade. I could have left it where it was. That's what I might just do. I think it was at 280. Okay. So we're going to hit These for the die cuts and the kiss cut. I'm gonna move it up because it's like a new blade. I want to say, because you just have to test it. I'm gonna say 180 to be on the safe side. Since this blade 180 is new, so I'm gonna hit save. But sometimes you have to tweak it for your liking. Okay, I'm done. So I'm gonna go back to where this one right here. This is the one we want to use. And you want to hit more. Because why? Because this sticker paper that I'm going to show y'all, it is thick. I mean, very thick. So meet me at my camera with my Cricut and I'll meet y'all there. Okay, now that we are back, this is the image that I cut. As you can tell, it is very glossy. So be careful not to put nothing on your hands. So this is the glow in the dark sticker paper. And I'm using a light grip. I mean a strong grip mat. So I had a light grip, but that's the only one that I have. And this is the paper, the A-Sub glow in the dark paper. It only comes with like 5 sheets. I can't remember how much it was, but I will put it in the link down below. So let's get this powder started. Okay, and which I was gonna put like some holographic laminated sheet on it, but this paper's already thick enough. So I don't know why my printer does that, but I'm not gonna worry about that because it's still gonna print. Print and cut. I'm just taking this rolling thing, make sure it's thick, which you will, and I got this from Hobby Lobby. So yeah, I'm gonna take this and put this into my Cricut so it can cut. So I'll be back once it finished cutting. Okay, now that I got the images cut out, this is what it will look like. They do glow in the dark, and I'm going to show you. So just bear with me while I turn off the light. Let me find my little light, and I can turn off the light. So just bear with me while I turn off the light, and I will turn the lights back on once I complete this. And these are the stickers. As you can tell, it glows in the dark. You can peel them off. I'm going to show y'all. Taking these off of here. And here they are. If you can see it, this is the glow in the dark stickers. Yes, it does glow. And I'm going to show you the back of it. I just had to put that back on. And this is the pack. As if you can see, it glows in the dark. The little pack. So these are the sheets. So let me turn my light back on. Give me a second. Okay. So they do glow in the dark. And these are very easy to peel. We did a kiss cut and I did more. And you can just put them off. Lord. Because this is like very thick paper. I might have to go back in there and retweak my settings, but there they go. I think I'm going to put these on my laminator machine and my Cricut machine, but I might make them bigger. I don't know. But yeah, this is part 2 of the video that I couldn't complete on yesterday. So just know if you have any questions or concern or you want me to do something, please let your girl know. And until next time, my crafty queens, be breezy. Please like, share, and follow my YouTube channel. All you have to do is subscribe. It does not cost any money. And if you would like some coloring books, please go over to my Beacon store. I will put the link in the description. And thank y'all. We have made up to 200. I think I'm at 203 subscribers. Thank y'all so very, very much. And I think maybe, I don't know, I'm not going to tell you. But just keep an eye out on my channel because I might do like a giveaway or just do something very special for y'all supporting my channel. And I really do thank y'all. Until next time, my crafty queens, be breezy.